resulted in the elimination of over 140 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Donetsk direction. The active action of the units and the artillery operation of the EU group of forces have resulted in the elimination of over 140 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 3 motor vehicles, and 2 D-30 howitzers near Zaliznianskoye, Krasnoye and Tonenkoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, the aviation and the artillery operations of the Vostok group of forces have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian units near Pruchistovka and Uglidar in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has lost up to 70 Ukrainian personnel, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 1 motor vehicle and 1 D-20 howitzer. Moreover, 11 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region, Raigorodok, Oborotnovka, Losyanka in Lugansk People's Republic, Staromayorskoye, Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic, Kamenskoye and Baluchki in Zaporozhye region. In total, 400 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,384 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,264 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,321 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,857 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!